cornmeal dumpling.
That I need.
Cornmeal dumpling. That's all she eat. Only dumpling she eat is cornmeal dumpling.
Right, that's why I make it and give it to you.
So she need it. So we need soup for her. We need soup. Cornmeal dumpling.
Don't forget the fry.
Last one. In the pot. In the pot. Stir it up a little. Alright, let it cook down. Then put the rest of the ingredients, some more seasoning, some hard food, Irish potatoes, carrots. Yep. Alright, now we're going with the carrots and the onions. Give the pot some more flavor. Yep. Stay tuned for the next step. We're going to do some mashed potatoes. Yes. Boiling up. This is the final product. The final. Let it cook down a little bit. Yes, tasting good. Then she's gonna have a taste test and let us know how it tastes.
Hi guys, so the chicken soup my husband cooked was very good. It had, as you can see, chicken leg and thigh, carrots, onions, pumpkin, cornmeal dumpling, grey cock soup packs, and leeks, thyme, and other seasonings. Hope you enjoy my husband cooking winter comfort food. Hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.